Okay, so unlocking podcasting success with WordPress. This is the guide, okay? I've got it right here. This Google document. If you're on YouTube, you can see it. I'm looking at it right now. And if you go to theguyrcookreport.podbean.com, you'll find the link there for unlocking podcasting success with WordPress, a comprehensive guide. It's in there. And understanding the potential of this is real easy as cake to use. The search engine optimization benefits with WordPress are quite nice. The customization of the WordPress environment, there are lots and lots and lots of themes to match up what your content needs to look like. So get that on the agenda, if you would. There are a number of plugins that you need to check out. PowerPress is by Blueberry, and it's a pretty darn good plugin. Seriously Simple Podcasting and Smart Podcast Player, those are all in a Google document. They're listed right there. And the steps to take to optimize your content for SEO, everything is in that document. I tried to assemble a comprehensive guide, and I think we've done a pretty good job of it. I've got them, so you can get them. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on youtube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.